student, welcome to Chitrans Academy. I am Hemant sir and today we are going to start our exercise 1.2. In previous video we have seen what are equal sets. So what are equal sets? Let there are two sets A and B. If all the members of set A are present in set B and all the members of set B are present in set A, then the set A and B are called as equal sets. So in our first question we have to identify which sets are equal sets and which are not, and we have to justify the answer also. So we'll solve the first question. The first question says decide which of the sets are equal sets or not, and we have to justify the answer also. So the first question have three different sets, that is A, B and C. The set A says x such that 3x minus 1 equals to 2. That means we have to solve this equation. So we have to solve the first set, that is A. So we are writing solution. Solution. What is set A? The set A equals to x such that 3x minus 1 equals to 2. So we have to solve this equation and we have to calculate the value of variable x. So what is the equation? The equation is 3x minus 1 equals to 2. So we have to transfer this minus 1 to another side. So what we will get? We will get 3x equals to 2. See, 1 is in negative form. So when we will transfer this negative 1 to another side, will become positive 1. So 2 plus 1. So 3x equals to 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have to calculate the value of variable x. That means we have to transfer this 3 to another side. So it is in multiple form. So it will go in division form. So x equals to 3 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled by 1. That means x equals to 1. So we have the value of variable x for the set A. So now we have to write this x, we have to write this variable, we have to write this set A in roster form now. So A equals to 1. That means we have the variable, we have the value of x is 1, so we have to write 1 only. So here our first set is completed. Now second set. The second set is B. The set says x such that x belongs to natural number. See, this epsilon sign is denoted the belongs to. That means we can say x is the natural number. X is the natural number. And the natural number x, it is neither prime nor composite. X, but x neither prime nor composite. So B equals to. Now we have to identify which number belongs to natural number as well as which number is neither prime nor composite. So what is prime number now? So those numbers, they are divisible by themselves and one only. Such numbers are called as prime number. And what are composite number? Those numbers, they are divisible by themselves and one, as well as they have one more factor. Such numbers are called as composite number. So we have to write the first few natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Then if we will take example of 2, so 2 is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 1. That means this 2 is prime number. That means we don't have to put this one. What about 3? 3 is divisible by 3 and 3 is divisible by 1. That means it is the prime number. And our number is nor prime nor composite. So if we'll talk about the 4, so 4 is divisible by 4, 4 is divisible by 2, and 4 is divisible by 1. That means 4 is composite number. What about 5? 5 is divisible by 5 and divisible by 1. That means it is again a prime number. That means we have only one number which belongs to natural number and which is neither prime nor composite. That means we have to write here 1 only. So the set B contain one element only. Now we'll solve set C. The set C says x such that x belongs to natural number. That means we have natural number 1, 2, 3 and so on. And x is less than 2. And x is less than 2. So we have to identify which natural number is less than 2. That means we have 1 only. So we can write the set C in roster form as 1. So as we can see, the member of set A and set B and set C are the same. That means only one. So we can say set A equals to set B equals to set C. That means all the sets are equal sets, because in roster form we can see that all the members have the same and identical member. So we can see that all the members of the set A, B and C are same. That means all the members of set C are present in set B as well as in set A, and all the members of B are present in set C as well as in set A, and all the members of set A are present in set B as well as in set C. That's why all the sets are equal sets. So we had to write the justification. We have to justify our answer. So we can write all the members of set A are present in set B and set C. Then all the members of set B are present in set A as well as in set B. No, set C. And all the members of set C are present in set A and set B. So this is the justification of our answer. So what is justification? We are revising again. All the members of set A are present in set B and set C, and all the members of set B are present in set A and set C. Likewise, all the members of set C are present in set A and set B. That means all the sets are equal sets. So this is all about our question number first. So if you want to write, you can take a screenshot or you can write. So we will solve now second problem. The second problem says decide whether the set A and set B are equal set, and you have to give the reason for your answer also. And the set A says even prime number, and set B says x such that 7x minus 1 equals to 13. So we have to convert this set into roster form, that means in listing form. So solution. So even prime number means we have to write prime number and even number first. So we are writing even number first. What are even number? 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinite. And what are prime numbers? Those numbers they are divisible by themselves and 1 only are called as prime number. So 2 is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 1. That means 2 is a prime number and it is even also. So we can say 2 is the prime and even number. What about 4? 4 is divisible by 4. 4 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 1. That means 4 is not a prime number. It is composite number. What about 6? 6 is divisible by 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 1. That means other even numbers are not prime numbers. That means we have only one, that is 2 is the even as well as prime number. So the set A says even prime number. Even prime number. So the answer will be, we have even prime number only one and that is 2. So what about next set, that is set B. So set B says x such that 7x minus 1 equals to 13. So we have to solve this equation first. So what is equation? It is 7x minus 1 equals to 13. So we are transferring this one to another side because we have to calculate the value of x. So 7x equals to 13. See, we are transferring this minus 1 to another side, will become positive 1. So will become positive 1. Now 7x equals to 13 plus 1 means 14. Now we have to calculate the value of x. So we have to transfer this 7 to another side. So it is in multiple form. It will go in division form. So x equals to, x will become 14 divided by 7. So 7 ones is 7 and 7 twos are 14. That means x equals to 2. X equals to 2. That means the set B contain only one element, that is 2. So we can see that set A and set B are contain the same element. That means all the members of set A are present in set B as well as all the members of set B are present in set A. That means both the sets are equal sets. So what will be the answer? Set A equals to set B. So we have to give the reason for the answer. So what will be the reason? All the members of set A are present in set B and all the members of set B are present in set A. That is the reason why A and B are equal set. A and B are equal sets. So likewise we have completed our second question also. So we are moving now over third question. So if you want to write, you can take screenshot. So now we are moving on next question. So we will solve the next question, that is third question. The third question says, which of the following sets are empty sets and why? That means we have to identify the given sets are empty sets or not. If they are empty sets, then we have to give reason also. So the set says The set A says A such that A is a natural number which is smaller than 0. So we have to write the natural number. So what are natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. So is there any number which is smaller than 0? No. That means we will have 0 set in, we will have 0 member in our set A. Therefore solution. So A equals to empty set, or we can write phi also. The phi is the representation of empty set, and it is asking that why it is empty set. So we have to write the justification also. So the set A is empty set, is an empty set because set A do not contain any or single element in it. Okay, so the set A is an empty set because the set A do not contain any element in it. That's why the set A is an empty set. So this is all about the first question. Now the second question is also very easy. It is homework for you. Next question is fourth question having 7 sub questions. So here we have to identify which are the sets are finite sets or infinite set. The question 4th says write the reason. That means we have to write the reason for what, which of the following sets are finite or infinite set. So first we have to identify which sets are finite set or infinite set. How? By converting them into the roster form. First we have to convert the sets into roster or in listing method. After that we have to identify the number of members. That means they are countable or uncountable. If they are countable, that means they are finite set. If the number of elements of the sets are uncountable, that means they are infinite set. So on that basis we have to identify finite and infinite set. So all the 7 questions and second and third sub question of third question is homework for you. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड वन मोर थिंग, यू आर नॉट कॉलिंग मी फॉर योर क्वेरीज. दैट मीन्स आपको कोई क्वेरी नहीं आ रही है, ऐसा ही होगा. सो फ्री फील करना है आपको मुझे कॉल करने के लिए. एंड माई नंबर इज़ 9730305883. You can directly call me on my number so that we can solve your queries. And if you are unable to call, then you have to write your queries on the comment box. Then we will solve your problem. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.